Hey YouTube, I'm San from Sancode and welcome to another unboxing video, and today I'm gonna unbox the MI router 3C of Indian version, that is 2.4 GHz one band router. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's unbox it. Okay, so I bought it for 1200 rupees in Indian currency. I will put that link in the description below of this video, and I bought it from MI store, not any other sites. The packaging of this is very good. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so it's upside down. So here are some paper, and here is our router. Okay, so here is the front view, and here are some specs and other things. Okay, so I'll zoom in. There are lots of features in this MI app by which the router will be controlled, and that's the reason you should buy it, and the price of it is very much reasonable and affordable for a 4 antenna router. If you buy of other brands, then you won't get all the services that are MI providing. So okay, let's open this box. Okay, so here is the router itself in front. Okay, the router is very sleek, very thin, guys. Let's open this cover up. Okay, so here, as you can see, guys, the router is very slim and it's very light, and here you can see the MI logo. And in the back there is no holes for wall mounting. I don't know how I'm gonna mount it in my wall, but there are lots of vents for airflow. Okay, and above here there is one WAN port and 2 LAN ports and one reset button. The small black hole you guys can see is the reset button. Okay, so you can adjust its antennas like this or in any direction, anywhere, as you wish. Okay, so here goes the router, and inside here the user manual, the charger, actually not the charger, the power adapter, because there is no inbuilt battery, you need to connect it all the time. So here is the detailed guide manual. And okay guys, this is for the unboxing and review video, and I'm gonna make another video on installing and setting up this router, and it will be followed by this video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.